I did think of you again, you know? I shouldn't have. But you have to touch the cage to open it. I guess this is day one. I don't really know where to start or how much to say. Oh, I feel okay today. Yeah, I read a few chapters. Sometimes I'll have to start over though. I'll be reading and realize I don't remember what I just read. I do that a lot, actually. But the book is good, I can at least say that. That's some bullshit and you know it. If you didn't have the time for me anymore, then just say that with your whole chest. Matter of fact, no, don't say anything. I'll just do the same thing. A dose for me and a dose for you. The days feel super long. Time to think, I guess, but I mostly try not to do that. It's just better that way. Oh, I noticed a damn pimple today, bro. Stress bumps. Google's words, not mine. I don't think so. Because how can I be stressed if I'm bored out of my mind? Usually I'd be out in like nature, a freaking mountain or something with you, or a lake, real peaceful on the coast. I'm not even trying to go anywhere. It's peaceful here too. Is this supposed to be even working? I'm talking to my fucking self. So the stress bumps are gone now. And I feel pretty good. I'd say I'm doing all right. I got this little vinyl. I just felt like it was too quiet in here. You know, hearing your own thoughts all the time. It's just, I feel caged, I guess. I didn't think of you today. Well, I guess I just did, but that doesn't count. The point is, this feels like progress. Looks like I'll be just fine.
Running around the answer, fighting the lies inside. See, I try so hard.
A real stone heart. At some point, you make a choice of who you are and what you want. I'm tired. I'm not doing this today. It's not like I have a therapist. Fucking insurance. So I was reading something. It had me thinking about freedom a lot. Like the concept of it. Like, why do we confine the things we love the most? When you buy a bird, what's the first thing you get it? Dogs get kennels. Even our most prized possessions get shut up in cases. But when God created birds, he didn't make cages. He gave them the sky. That's all I'm saying. Google it. Dating anxiety. It's a fucking thing. At least there's a name for the shit I've been feeling. You know, like once it has a title, it becomes real. I guess you wouldn't know that, though. A walking contradiction, my therapist had called it. Scared and brazen. Careless and caring too much. Thoughtless, but overthinking now. That That's the one right there. All at the same time. Just, it's fucked up here. I know I overreacted, but what am I supposed to do? I can't hold it in. I opened my mouth and it's right there. Always in the back of my throat. But I deserve to be understood and forgiven. But I never get those things. It doesn't matter what I do. I guess I'm just flawed as fuck. I tried my best to please you. And I failed, but you humiliated me. Why do I have to pick up the pieces when you broke me? And how dare you fucking call me? Save your empty ass. I miss you. If you can't stand your own company in the dark, well, I can. I can't. I did think of you again. I shouldn't have. But you have to touch the cage to open it. During the winter, birds migrate. Nowadays, we know where they go. But before it was common knowledge that they flew south, we didn't know where the fuck they were going. Were they burrowing tunnels under our feet? Were they turning into other animals? Pre-logic bullshit theories. But there is one that I actually liked. Charles Martin. Dude proposed that birds flew to the moon. Now, I know that sounds crazy, but man's had it all figured out. Calculated the distance to the moon, estimated the speed of a bird through space. 60 days. He said if the bird flew fast enough, he could get to the moon in 60 days. They probably closed their eyes and dreamt as they soared through space. Or at least that's how I imagine it. This is the last recording I'm gonna do. Come morning, you won't find me here. So if you ever come across these recordings, just know I chose myself, my freedom. And now I'm closing my eyes. Anywhere is better than the cage you gave me. This is Nyla, signing off from the moon with love.